Welcome. Let us now look at how can we factorize the monomial, binomial, and trinomial expressions. So as I said that when you talk of the monomial expressions and binomial expressions and trinomial expressions, I said that these are expressions that depend on the number of parts that have made the quadratic expressions. So I was saying that whenever you have got a part like you have 2x squared alone, it means this is what you call it as monomial. Why? Because it is made up of only one component. But if you have 2x squared plus something like plus 4x, it means this one it is made up of two components. That means it is qualifying to be a binomial expressions. Bi means two. Okay, binomial expressions. But if you have got an expression that has got three parts, or x squared plus 2x plus 1, it means this is trinomial expressions. Now let us now look at how can we factorize the binomial, trinomial, and the monomial. Actually, the monomial expressions we cannot factorize; they are already in a simple form. But we'll start looking at how can we factorize the trinomial expressions. So let us now look at factorizing them. So let us look at example on how can we factorize the binomial expressions. Okay, so example, if you have let's say factorize or simplify. Factorizing 2x squared plus 4x. Okay, so to factorize binomial expressions, it's very simple. You just have to find the common factor that can enter into all these two parts without a remainder. So find the common factor that you can get into 2x squared and then you can get into 4x squared, into 4x at the same time. So actually 2 can go into 2x squared and 2 can also go into 4x. Okay, but now let us now look into the letters. It means x squared, and here we also have x. That means x can go here and can also go here. So in short, we're going to say to factorize this, actually the one that you can get into all these parts is 2 and x, and then put a bracket. So say 2 into 2 means 1, x into x squared it means x. Okay, what I'm trying to say here is like you have 2x squared. It's like you have 2x squared divided by 2x. That means a2 and 2 will cancel. X into x squared is x. When talk of x squared, it means x times x divided by x. That means this part will have x like this. That's why I bring it here x. Like 2x into 2x squared is x. Then you divide the signs. We have for the positive sign here. Positive into positive, it's positive. And then you say 2 into 4 is 2. X into x, it's 1. So that means it's just 1, it's just 2. In this case, we have now factorized the binomial expressions. Okay, let us look at the second example. The second example is that if they are told us to simplify the following. So if we say we have negative x squared minus 6x. Okay, that's one. The second one is if we have negative x squared minus x squared. Negative x squared minus x. Why? Here, if we have something like 2y squared plus 4y. These are binomial expressions. So let us now see how we can factorize this one. So I'll just write here. Actually, if you have something like this, it means just find the common factor that you can get into 2x squared and into 6x. So start with numbers. Here, 2 can get into 2, can also get into 6. It's possible. Yes, let us find the letters. X can get into here and also can get into here. It's also possible. So we take with the signs. So that means the one that can get into this, we start with the sign, negative, and then you take the number, 2 can get, and then the letter, x can also go. So you put a bracket like this. You put a bracket, and then you say negative into negative 2, and negative 2 is 1. X into x squared is x. Okay, it's x. Like this. Okay. It's x like this. And then negative 2x into negative 6x. Negative is positive. 2 into 6 is 3. And then x into x, it's almost 1. So that will be like this one. Okay? It will be like the same like this one. Here, the same ones. So you say, the one that you can get into negative x squared into minus xy, it's almost t. You start with the sign, so the sign is negative. So say, the one that you can get into x squared into xy, it's x. So put x here. Negative x into negative x squared, it's almost x. And then negative to negative, it's positive. And then you say positive, and then negative, I mean x into xy, it's almost y. And the means you're done with that one. And let's look here. So 2y squared plus 4y. So that means the common factor here it's 2. It's 2y. Okay, it's 2y. Like this. It's 2y. Okay. So when talk of 2y into 2y squared is like 2. It's like we have 2. Okay. 2y into 2y squared is y. It's y. And then 2y into 4y is 2. Without y, like this. Okay? It means you have now factorized the quadratic expression like binomial. So in the next video, we'll look at how we're going to factorize the trinomial expressions. See you in the next video.